Howdy, good morning. Eugene Segovia here with EZStudRack. Today is May the 6th, day 50, 51, coronavirus, lockdown, whatever you want to call it. And I heard President Trump talking at Honeywell. The one thing that I heard that really hit here, I wrote it down. Buy American, hire American. This is a simple product that I import from China. It's called the EZStudRack. And I want to say, President Trump, I hear you. I'm going to do my part, and I'm going to buy America, hire America. It's going to be a challenge, but I have to. I got to do my part. Do I have 20, 30 employees? No. I mean, this product, it's a hobby. It's fun. I love organizing, and it's doing great. People are buying it. I get plenty of reviews saying that I love your product, and I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to have to hire an injection molder. I'm going to have to hire somebody to go in and take the parts out and clean them up. That's hiring 2 people. That's building it here in America. I've got to have somebody gather the packages. I do that now, where they gather the packages and ship it, mainly me. But I hear you, President Trump. I'm going to bring it to the U.S. EZStudRack will be made here in the U.S. And I'll offer 2 products. I've got product from China. Of course, the price is going to differ. It's going to be different. How much different, I don't know. That's the scary part. But I'm going through the details. And I'm going to try to update you as I go through this project and through these hard times, and try to make America great again. The EZStudRack will be made in America, for Americans, from Americans. How's that sound? Buy American, hire American. I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that. Now I'd tweet this out. I don't know how to use a Tweety bird, whatever you call that. I wish I could send this video to President Trump and say, I'm going American. I'm going to do it. This is what America's about. Focus on American. And that's what I'm going to do. Until next time, Eugene with EZStudRack. We'll see you later.